subject for the wash. I went cruising with some friends the other day. We went up to the mountains and I just got a ton of little bugs all over it, a lot of dust, dirt. It needs a nice wash, and I want to show you a different way of doing it. For you people that don't have access to water or live in apartments, this is the video for you. Alright guys, today we're going to go do a do-it-yourself car wash with one product for people who don't want to carry a bunch of products, or for people who have water restrictions. Yesterday we went up to the mountains cruising around and I got a bunch of little bugs on my car, a lot of dust and everything, so I thought it'd be a good time to do this video for you guys. What you'll need is one product. I'm going to use American Detailer Garage Rinseless Wash. It's like a hybrid wash. You can make a waterless, a rinseless, a quick detailer, a clay lube out of it, pretty much whatever you want to do with it. You're going to need a bucket to put about 2 to 3 quarts of water and an ounce of wipeout in it. You're going to need a bottle. I put 32 ounces of water and 1 ounce of wipeout in that. That'll make your waterless wash. You're going to need about 7 or 8 towels. You're going to need a drying towel, and you're going to need 1 towel for the rims. That's it, guys. Here's what you're going to need. You're going to need about 7 microfiber waterless rinseless towels. You're going to need 1 drying towel. You're going to need your rinseless wash of choice. You're going to need a bucket for the rinseless wash, and you're going to need a spray bottle for your waterless wash. So the product I'm using today is American Detailer Garage Wipeout. I'm using 1 ounce into 32 ounces of water in the spray bottle. That's my waterless wash solution. After that, I'm going to put another ounce into 2 quarts of water in the rinseless bucket. It says to do a gallon of water, if not more, but I don't need all that, and I want the lubricity. So that's the way I'm doing it. You can go up to 3 or 4 quarts. You may need the extra water. I'm gonna be traveling with this. That's why I only used 2 quarts. I sealed the top with some saran wrap. If you have a bucket with a gamma seal, that'll work as well. I just did not want it splashing around in my car while I was driving. Alright guys, yes, that's right. We're going to a do-it-yourself hand car wash. You know, the kind with the brushes and all that stuff. But we're not going to use the brush. We just want that pressure washer, because a lot of people don't have pressure washers or access to water. So here's our remedy. Alright, you're going to need to buy tokens. Each token's $1. You get 3 minutes worth of use, and you got different settings on what you want to come out of the pressure washer. So read them, get familiar with them before you start. Here I'm just setting up. I'm taking my towels out, soaking them into the rinseless solution, just getting everything prepared and ready. So once I put that coin in the machine, I'm going to use my 3 minutes to the fullest and not be dilly-dallying. Now, since we only have one product that we're using, we're going to get that waterless wash solution we made, and we're going to spray all the bugs, any heavy grime areas, get them saturated. From there, we're going to take one of our towels that have been soaking, we're going to place it over any bug areas and just kind of let it sit. We're going to do that with the whole front of the hood right there. This will loosen up the bug guts and make it easy for them to wash off. Alright guys, once you put the coin in, the clock is running, so I'm going to go ahead and pre-rinse it. I think this has some type of chemical that breaks down dirt and debris. I just really want to get a lot of the loose particles off the vehicle. Once you've sprayed it down well with the pre-rinse, go ahead and switch the setting to soap setting. Spray it all over the vehicle. Let the soap start doing its thing. It's real thin soap. It's not like crazy foam. Some of these car washes have better liquids, I suppose you would say, or better products in them. So don't expect a foam cannon out of this thing. The whole reason we're spending so much time on this pre-wash without touching it is to remove any loose particles. If your car was really dirty, had dirt on it, mud on it, you were off-roading, well, spend an extra $1, get another coin, and just take your time and rinse this stuff off. At this point I was down to about 5 seconds, so I had to throw another coin in the machine. Now I can do my wheels good, I can take my time. That's why I say just buy 2 coins, don't be cheap, it's only $1. And knock out your wheels real good. Clean everything, get underneath the car, get underneath the rocker panels, get in your fender wells. Just take your time. Alright, now that we've completely rinsed the vehicle, we grab our waterless solution, we spray the whole vehicle, then we're going to go to our rinseless wash process. Now before you say, it looks like your towels are on the floor. No, they're in a bucket over there, but that bucket is clear. So it looks like they're on the floor, but it's just a clear bucket. Even though at this point the vehicle looks to be pretty clean, just make sure you keep flipping your towels over, using a fresh side every panel or two, and continue with the wash. Don't worry, you have 7 towels to use. You're probably only going to use 3 or 4 for this whole wash process. Back of vehicles is always extra dirty, so make sure you flip it every little panel or half a panel. Not a big deal, just be extra cautious as there's more dirt in the back. Once you finish doing your rinseless wash, grab your drying towel. This is the Griot's PFM. It is an excellent towel. This will dry 2-3 cars no problem. One swipe over and you're good to go. With the exterior all dry, grab another microfiber towel, spray it down with your waterless wash solution, and start wiping. Now grab that towel that I said to bring especially for the rims, spray it, spray the rims if you like, wipe them down. It's that simple. They're gonna come out clean. Guys, this towel that I'm using for the rims is gonna get tossed after this. Do not wash this towel unless you have a whole vat of rim towels or really nasty towels that are in your D grade towel bin. Otherwise, I just toss it. Alright guys, we're almost there. One more step. Grab another clean microfiber towel, spray it with some wipe out waterless wash, and wipe down your interior. We are still using the same product, just for different areas of the vehicle. Hey, what do you know? That's it, guys. Go ahead and grab all your stuff, store it back in your vehicle, and you are ready to roll. Well, that's the end of the video. I hope you liked the whole washing process using one product, American Detailer Garage, for the interior, exterior, wheels, windows. It did everything. I used it in a waterless bottle, in a rinseless wash with the buckets. I used 3 towels to wash the exterior of the vehicle, 1 for the rims, maybe 1 for door jambs, and 1 for the interior. So it's about 7 towels, give or take right there. Probably could have got it done with a couple less if I was really careful, but just do it and do the laundry. Quick tips. When you're buying your coins, you gotta bring dollar bills usually, or you can use your credit card. Every dollar gives you 1 coin. You get 3 minutes per coin. Buy 2 coins. Take your time. Start off with a foaming soap or a pre-wash if you like. Let that sit while you're going around the car spraying it. Come back over and wash it with the pressure washer water. Don't use the spot-free water. It's weaker, and you're going to use another product after that. You're going to use the American Detailer Garage or rinseless product of your choice, so you don't need the spot-free water. You're going to spray it on, wipe it on, and wipe it off with your towel. There's no use to waste your time with the spot-free water. You're not going to have any water spots. Guys, if you want to make it more complicated and bring extra products, you have wheel and tire cleaners and you want to scrub, hey, do all you want. If you want to bring your tire gel, go for it. If you want to bring your window cleaner, your trim dressings, whatever, you can do all that. I'm just trying to show you one product, make it simple, your car looks good, easy as that. If you like the video, guys, hit the subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. You guys have a great day. Leave your comments below if you have any questions, and tell me why if you didn't like it as well below. See you guys later.